Hey guys, welcome back to SRT Learning, and this is Ankit Prajapati, and today we're gonna cover another questions in testng related topic for automation engineers. If you are applying or if you are preparing for automation engineer role or QA position, okay, I will refer there are a playlist in our YouTube channel. You can just go through that playlist. I have created short videos, so it will not take much time for you. So in one video I have give the explanation and the syntax, both the things, so it will be easy for you to answer and remember before the interviews. Okay guys, so let's see what question that we're gonna cover today. How do you group the test cases and execute on specific group? Okay, this is one of the commonly asked questions if they are more focused on Selenium and test engine. So how you can group the test case, okay, and how you can execute that particular specific group of test case in your automation framework. So for that one, let's we see. So in testng you can use the group attribute, okay, groups attribute in your test annotations, and at the time of the execution you can do annotation.xml, you can use the command line as well, you can use the maven command as well. So three way you can execute, but how you can define, you can use groups attribute in your test annotation guys. Okay, so this is something that you need to remember when you are working and when you are answering how you can group the test case in your Selenium automation framework, okay, using the test engine. So let's see the syntax. So you see at the rate test groups smoke, then at the rate test group regression. So this is for smoke group and this is for regression group. This is the basic and simple syntax you need to remember. Okay. Sometimes they might ask you what could be the syntax. It just says groups. Do not write group. Always use groups. Means you can also provide multiple groups in a curly bracket. Okay guys. So groups will be the attribute that you need to use. Okay. Then how you can execute that thing? So first thing is using a testng.xml. So in a testng.xml you can use groups, run, include. So if you just say include, that means it will include the smoke related. So whatever let's suppose you have 12 test cases, and out of 12 test cases 6 test cases are marked related to the group smoke, they will execute all the smoke related test cases. Okay, suppose the same way if you want to exclude, like that way they will ask you in an interview, okay, how I can exclude the test case from the execution. The same way you can just say I will provide the group, I will provide the group name, and then I will just exclude name is equal to this particular thing. So instead of include you can use exclude over here to exclude that particular test case from the execution. Okay guys, so now how you can run the test case in a command line. So you can just say java cp test, and this is the output that you got testng.jar, your project, then org, then groups, and you see smoke groups and testng.xml. So this is the command line argument, and most of the time they will not ask these things. They will ask you, okay, how you can achieve. So you can just simply say under testng.xml I can use group tag, and under that group tag I can use include or exclude to execute the test case. Okay, run groups through maven. This is one of the things might be useful, because this command when you use with the CI/CD pipeline, okay, at that time this command you need to pass. So sometimes this is, let's suppose you have created the smoke pipeline or regression pipeline in your Jenkins, okay, at that time you need to defer your commands. Okay, so maven test hyphen d groups smoke, so this will run the smoke related test cases. Okay guys, so this will be important, you should remember this, and this is very simple, maven test and d group is equal to smoke. Okay, then how you can combine the multiple groups? As I told you, right, it just says test groups in curly bracket smokes, then comma regression. And how you can include both? You can need to add two lines, include name smoke and include regression. Okay, how you can exclude a group? This is the way, exclude name is equal to this regression will be get excluded, and this only run the smoke related test cases. Okay, so these are the few things you need to remember when you answer this question, and trust me, if they are focusing on test ng, they will definitely ask this question, because this is also very useful in automation testing as well, when you are executing your automation test case guys. Okay, so this is the method, this is the use case, like test groups, you can provide the groups name over here, testng.xml groups, you can provide include exclude method, then hyphen d group smoke, that means you can run in command line or maven. Okay, then exclude tag will skip the unwanted test cases from the group, so exclude you can put over here. Okay, so this is how you can write answer this question about the grouping of the test case in your automation framework, and hope this is useful information for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and that will motivate our team to prepare such video for you.